This video shows you how to draw a prehistoric tree. You'll need a pen and a pencil and an eraser. Now let's plan the drawing so that we get it in the right place on the page. We want it nicely in the middle, and then it sort of makes it easy for us to follow as well, doesn't it? So this is going to spread out like that. It's going to spread out like that. So it's like a parentheses shape there, isn't it? And then that's going to go up one, up one, up one, and up one like that. And I made it a bit thick there, really. So what I'm going to do is I'll sort of start there. I'll come in a little bit narrower there, and we'll bring that tree down there. And then this one will come in here. So we'll have it quite slender. And that will come down like that. And then we'll have it sort of just sticking out of the soil there. Maybe a bit of sort of gravel and stuff like that. And then that... Oh, I've gone wrong there. Never mind. We'll try and cover our mistakes. So we'll come around like that and up and down. And then that will go around and up and down, and that will go up to there. So let me get it right on this side. That's going to come up like that and down, and then up like that, down, and then that will go up there. Now this looks like a good place to erase those pencil lines. So make sure that the ink is dry, because otherwise it's going to smudge. And now you've got it in the right place on the page, and no one will know how you just did that so well. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw these lines. So it has a kind of a grid shape, a pattern to it. Has a pattern to the branches. It has a pattern to the trunk and the skin of the tree, which is a sort of bit of a pinecone-y kind of pattern, I suppose you might say. And we'll just draw that all the way up the tree. That's fairly easily done. And then we want to draw some leaves. And these are just going to be scribbled on there. So you come up, 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 and then back round like that. And here, it doesn't matter if you go across into the other one. That's okay. And you sort of go across like that. And, of course, this would be green. So if you're going to do it in colour, you can draw this in a green coloured crayon or felt tip pen or something like that. And again, we're going to do the same here. So we're coming like that. We're coming up to the top and then around and then kind of back down in the other kind of direction. And we come up to the top, around, and then back in the other direction. But it's all scribbling, really, isn't it? And we can maybe tidy that up a bit in the middle there. And we need to get more into the branch there on that side. And then we're just going to get a few bits of sort of bits hanging down. So these could be fruits or something like that, and old dead leaves. Probably fruits hanging down like that. All you need to do is to colour in your prehistoric tree and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Draw Stuff Real Easy.